Hey guys, Tony here. So I was actually waiting for Riot to break on the bullish side of the MACD on the 30-minute chart. It actually didn't do that. It actually created a bigger red candle on the bear side. So there is going to be no buy from me. I actually have about $600 kind of on the sidelines I was actually going to buy a call on Riot, but because we didn't see this cross on the 30-minute chart, I'm not going to play it. As of right now, I haven't really done any TA on Riot. Whether it's going to fall or, go back up, I'm not 100% sure because, crypto has been falling recently and Riot kind of mirrors crypto as a whole. But it does seem to be following the 30-minute chart MACD relatively well, which is why I was getting ready to buy another call based off of this pattern. When this actually turns bullish, I will be purchasing a Riot call. Depending on, if I have time to post the call or not is kind of just up to me. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be posting it because I'm just kind of waiting it out to see when this actually happens. It might happen tomorrow, might happen Thursday, I don't know, but we'll see.